Zoho Forms tutorial, how to use Zoho Forms for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Zoho Forms. Now, what exactly is Zoho Forms and what purpose can it serve for us? Forms are now a very essential way of collecting information about your customers, about your employees, or gathering any type of information. Forms can make it super easy for us to gather information as well as to ensure that we are making progress in our business according to the feedback that we are receiving. So Zoho has its own no-code form builder for seamless data collection. And this is a really nice tool to use, especially if you're already using some of the other Zoho tools that are available. Because it is so widely used, you can easily integrate it with your pre-existing Zoho elements, or even if you're using other applications, you can integrate Zoho Forms in those applications or your website to be able to ensure that you're syncing up your data and so much more. So let's get started with Zoho Forms. To get started, the first thing we're going to be doing is going to be to enter our company name. This is going to be Lily's, and we're going to enter our email address and then a suitable password. Once you do that, you're going to complete your sign up. I have created my account already, so I'm just going to be logging on, and we're going to verify with our verification code that we have received in our mailbox. So we're just going to open up our Gmail and then verify our email address. So let's just open it up from here, and I'm just going to wait for us to receive it, and we're going to copy this report not spam. Then we're going to paste that in, click on verify, and we can now proceed. Now, once we've done that, we can proceed on to our next step, which is going to be clicking on the Let's Get Started button. And you have two options. You can create a standard form, or you can create a one field on a page form. Now, card forms are going to display all the questions one by one. So if you have a super long form and it is going to be very extensive, it's going to take a lot of time, having it on a card form can be very difficult. So you can also do the use templates section to be able to use some of their pre-made templates for some basic purposes, including things like signups, event registrations, contact forms. So they have templates for all of these present, and you can use any one of these and customize. We're going to go ahead and close up the templates, and I'm going to go into standard, and I'm going to build a sign up form, and then I'm going to click on create. Once I click on create over here, I can proceed with creating my form, and this is going to be a standard form because I just want it to be all the fields on one particular page rather than dividing it across multiple pages. So the first thing I want to add on the left, you can see your builder, then you have your rules, settings, themes, sharing options, and more. So we have approvals and integrations. Now you can set different rules, settings, and themes. We're going to go into the builder section here and proceed with building. The first thing I want to include is a name, and instead of just the form saying sign up, I'm going to add a description. So receive exclusive member newsletters and discounts. And I want the label placement to be top like this, or bottom first like this. And I'm just going to click on save. Once I've done that, we have the first name and then the last name, which is fine. Now, whenever I enter any type of field in my builder, I can click on the property section, which is the gearbox icon, and I can add the field label, instructions, field size, covering text, as well as elements. So if I don't want the last name, I can cut that out, as well as the input type, letters and numbers, letters and spaces and numbers, so whatever combination you prefer. I'm going to go with any character. Then below that, I don't want signs, so I'm actually going to specify this to letters, numbers, or letters and spaces. Then we have placeholder text. If you want, you can add some placeholder. Let's say it's going to be John Doe, which is just some placeholder text. And then we can add the visibility, and then we can mark the privacy and input text case. I'm going to click on save, and just like that, we've edited the properties. Now, after that, I'm going to drag and drop the email field from the basic info on the left, and we are going to change the field size to medium, simply because the large one looks too expanded. This looks better, and I'm going to click on the settings, and we can add whatever placeholder text we want. Again, I'm going to add something simple, abc@gmail.com, and then this is going to be a mandatory field. I'm going to make this a mandatory field like this. The name one, again, I'm also going to scroll down, privacy, mark it as personal, and then from here I can choose other options. Now within a sign up form, we don't have a lot of details that we need to configure, but Zoho Forms allows us to add anything from phone numbers, websites, single line and multi-line text boxes, numbers, choices, date and time, uploads, rating skills, instructions, unique IDs, terms and conditions, signatures, decision boxes, element pages, Zoho CRM, and then payment options as well. So you are able to customize your form to be anything from a basic sign-up form to a data collection for your research, or you can even build more complicated forms. Once you've built out the basics, I only need names and emails, so I'm going to go into rules. Once I go into rules over here, we currently have no rules. We have choice-based rules. So what if one person selects one item in a multiple choice answer? Then I might want them to have a different continuation of the form, so we can build form rules as well. I'm going to go into direct form rules, and you can have updated record and new records, and we can deny submissions. We can configure this, and you can upgrade to change these rules and automations. Then you can go into general settings of your forms to further customize it, and then you have your thank you page, redirection, date and time, form availability, and other settings. Then you can go into themes to customize the appearance or the look of your form. And then once completed, you can click on Access Form on the top right, and your form is now ready, and you can copy and paste and use this form anywhere. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, forms on Zoho are not limited to only a suite. You can actually get started with Zoho Forms for free. You can build upwards of 3 forms with unlimited form views and 500 submissions per month. Not only that, you also get 200 megabytes of file storage and 10 payment submissions, pre-built themes, custom PDFs, webhooks, and integrations. Then on the basic version at $10 per month built annually, you get 1 user, unlimited forms, unlimited form views, and much more. On the standard $25 plan, you get 10 users, unlimited forms, and unlimited form views with 25,000 submissions. And professional at $50 per month with 75,000 submissions. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.